Oh, welcome to the Indonesian homestead. We have this little homestead in the mountains of East Java in Indonesia. It is mostly permaculture work we do here, but we are living here on the farm, and the farm is supposed to be, once we complete it, which probably never will complete it, but it should be as sustainable as we can be. We are completely off-grid. As you can see, we are quite far from everything. Down there is the closest village, is about 2 kilometers down, and the nearest city is 20 kilometers away. We basically are off-grid, and our electricity comes from sun and wind, and we catch the water, rainwater catchment, and we cook with solar cookers and firewood and so on. So basically we don't have any utilities coming up here. It's all on site and off grid. Anyway, the entrance to our land is down there, where you can see that pipe sticking up maybe. I don't know if you can see that here. And then it goes to, on each side of this, we have kind of like a tiny mountain here, huge hill. On each side of this, you can see here, basically, let me see, yeah, that's better. Alright, that's better. So that's the entrance, and then you can see, if you go, you see here, on each side is slope, on each side of this land, that's the other side, and it goes on for, what is that, about 150, 200 meters from where I'm standing right here. So from one side to the other side is about 300 meters, and but unfortunately it's not as wide to each side. You can see my son Zakaria here mixing cement for our new renovated ex-sheep house, which is now a house for cows that we are hoping to get next week. This is we are building a new mosque here, because the old one was built of bamboo, and unfortunately we have a lot of termites here, and it's just too much work to try and rescue that. So we simply built a new one with cement and bricks, so so it can last long. On the side, this is the new renovated cow house there. And it's a bit messy here, because although we have been here for 3 years, we are still building. So we have building materials lying around, especially in this area here behind the houses, and even between the houses. So anyway, this is our, let me see if I can go in. This is the blacksmith house. We have some beehives over there, right there. Maybe you can see that. And our pergola. I will make some videos and upload for each topic that is relevant for you, might be wanting to know. This is our woodshed here. Got a little bit of wood stacked up there. It's the rainy season right now, so everything is green and very wet. So we actually use a lot of wood as firewood for cooking. So this is one of the old greenhouses we made just when we got here about 3 years ago. It's basically falling apart now, but it was just a temporary construction, very cheap and easy materials. And this is a big mess right here. Probably the biggest mess we have is around this area, because we are basically constructing. We're planning to make a big aquaponics house. And you can see the yellow tanks there. We have that everywhere for water storage, rainwater catchment. And that's an old solar cooker I experimented with. It works fine, but I didn't get the right material. So all over our farms there are these what do you call it, banana circles. We have close to 45 or 50 or so, which are quite good, and papaya as well. We mix them up. This is my aquaponics house. That's about 2 years ago I made this, and actually I'm renovating it. Of course I'm not satisfied with the results. I don't know if you can see through there. That's better. Okay, that's better. Alright. So I'm renovating. There's still soil on the ground. We just build the tanks into the ground instead of leaving them above ground. And that's improving a little bit. This is our little food forest. Most of our land is basically turned into food forests because we are in the tropics, and traditional farming is not very good, especially not up in the mountains here. We have the slope. So that means soil erosion. We have to be careful with so many things, and the moisture. So basically, we create this food forest everywhere. But it produces the food, but it's a little bit different from traditional farming. Hey, you all right? Come here. Are you tied up there? You can't get away from here, huh? All right. So basically, that's it. We have some houses. So Yusuf, what are you doing? All right. Okay, never mind. All right. I'll go back and help that sheep up from there. It's not very practical. So this is our house. This area right here. Messy, as I said, since we are experimenting a lot and improving. So that means we are focusing on getting things to work before we start cleaning it up, and before we make it nice looking. We are more focused on trying to get things to work by experimenting what works well in this particular place. I will make another video about that whole concept of, things that might work in one place, might not work in another, which is important. That's something we learned a lot. We made a lot of mistakes, especially in the beginning, and we're still making some mistakes, but we are improving that as our some of our land as well. We have a little potato patch here. Let me see, zoom in there, you can see the potatoes are starting to come up. Alright, so basically that's our little homestead here in Indonesia, and I will upload some videos about the different topics so you can see and maybe learn a couple of things. We'll see. Alright, signing off for now.